I like burgers.
It's not going to be, you know, as spontaneous as last time. Anyway. Oh hey, what's up guys? I'm just about ready to cook. Today we're doing a quick easy meal. We're doing stuffed peppers. That's what's going to happen. I got to, you know, if you don't feel like cooking like an exquisite long dish, you can do stuffed peppers. There we go. I have peppers right here. We have our jarred sauces, seasonings. We're doing chorizo instead of ground beef because I prefer the spice to it. We're going to be cooking rice as well and caramelizing an onion and topping it off with provolone. Shit. Alright guys, so we're going to start off with the pepper prep. All I'm going to do is cut a sliver off the top and then take the seeds out like that, and then I'll just do a little tap. So that's what it should look like. The bottom, another very small sliver, so it just stands when you throw it in the pan. Yeah, look at that balance, huh? I'm gonna put them on the sheet tray with a little olive oil, salt, pepper. Get a little oil on there. Give it some body. I'm gonna caramelize my onions. I'm gonna brown my ground beef. I'm gonna brown my ground chorizo. Alright, see you later. Okay, so are you ready or not? So we got our peppers prepped. Ready to go. I'm gonna preheat the oven to 400. I'm gonna do my onion. I'm gonna julienne it, and I'll show you how it's done. Cut the ends off. Oops. Take one layer off. Alright, so julienne is, you know, little rainbow cuts just around the onion, just like that. So I'm just gonna do it quickly so we can get rolling here. Get a plate so you can, you know, put it on the plate. Shooting a video after, you know, the blockbuster that we had, but you know what? I'm gonna chug through it. I'm gonna get my saute pan for the meat. Keep on the sink. It's nice and dirty, beautiful.
What?
There's mutts everywhere. Clean it with a nice clean rag. Saute the ground pork chorizo. It's pork. Where's that peanut oil? Oh, it's corn oil. Yeah, spice rack is pretty cool. It's just a balcony of spices. Coffee, you got an empty garlic. So just a little coating of oil. Move it around, you know. You always want to put things in a hot pan. You want that sizzle, you want that fire. You want that, you know, when you look at it and it makes that shh, it puts a sparkle to your face. Yep, that's what you're talking about right here. Yeah, you like that? I'm gonna caramelize the onions in the fat. Spiciness of the chorizo. I'm gonna put a little S right here. It's short for salt. A little pepper. Always gotta put the garlic in there. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Now we're cooking here. Like that. So the meat is done. I'm gonna keep some of the leftover grease from the ground chorizo to cook in with the onions when we caramelize it. Honestly, one of my favorite little things that I like is just eating caramelized onions. I could literally just eat them out of a bowl. It's all fully brown, ready to go. So I give it probably about 10 minutes total, you know. Look at that juiciness. Oh, check to see if it's hot enough. So we'll just check. And it's starting to sizzle, so that's a good sign that the pan's ready to go. So I'm gonna throw these suckers in here. Oh, sizzle. Sizzle me timber. Okay. Get that all incorporated. Gonna add a little salt and pepper. Add a little brown sugar. Oh, this is so beautiful. I don't know what else to say about it. Cook time 15-20 minutes. Yeah. It's a beautiful thing. What are we talking about? While the onions are caramelizing, I got my rice working. We like to do a 2-to-1 ratio. It's jasmine rice. I get the rice to a boil, but you want to cut the heat and let it simmer for a little while, and put a lid on it. I'm par cooking my my peppers, so they, you know, they take a while to fully cook. So you want to par cook it 10 minutes at 400 degrees. Okay. Yeah. Sleep them. Oh, look at that. That's a good thing when you can just, you know, rubber spatch your pan. All that good flavor comes out. Just beautiful. Nice and tender. Shaved steak. Oh. And I like mac and cheese. Hot sauna in June. You're gonna be in heaven when you eat this. Jasmine, shouldn't take that long. 10 to 15.
15.
Beautiful. Sequels, man, they're tough. Oh, God, help me. Sorry, this is vodka. Shout out to Jimmy for sweating all the time. Peppers are definitely ready to go. Yep. You can just tell by the way it feels. It's just like pliable, you know, you can bend it, you know. So I'm gonna scoop all the rice into one bowl. We're gonna be doing alfredo. I'm gonna put the onions in the rice. All flops. Happening in the second one. So I'm gonna scoop the meat in now. So you got a little of this. Should be good right there. Maybe a little bit more for measure. Alfredo sauce. 4 cheese, so come on with it. Beautiful. Oh, that sound. That's when you know you're doing it right. I'm gonna throw the mixture into the pepper. So, you know, just overhead, scoop it in like that. Oh yeah. Oh, these are gonna come out so good. Alright, so I'm gonna slap a nice little slice of provolone on top. Just get that cheese going. About to throw these peppers in at 400. So the peppers are ready to come out after 15 minutes in the oven. Okay. Okay. Stuffed peppers. Oh. Work of art. And that's our finished product. Your stuffed peppers with chorizo, provolone, rice, and alfredo. And the caramelized onions. Catch you next week, guys.